क्या आप अभी भी अपनी पार्टी में चिप्स और नमकीन सर्व करते हो? क्या आप प्लेन एवोकाडो टोस्ट खा खा के बोर हो चुके हो? क्या आप भी कोई हेल्दी और टेस्टी सी स्नैकिंग ऑप्शन ढूंढ रहे हो? देन इन दिस वीडियो आई गॉट यू कवर्ड। मेरी वेट लॉस एंड फिटनेस जर्नी शुरू हुई एक कंडीशन पे हुई थी कि मैं कभी बोरिंग खाना नहीं खाऊंगी। And if you're someone like me, then you are in for a treat in this video because today I'll show you 4 wonderful ways of making the very healthy, the very exotic and very delicious avocado toast. But recipes शुरू करने से पहले let me quickly tell you why avocado is considered to be so healthy. And is it really good for weight loss? The answer to your question is yes. Avocado is a very healthy fruit. और हम इसे इतना healthy इसलिए मानते हैं because it's a super rich source of potassium. And in fact, एक avocado में एक banana से भी ज़्यादा potassium होता है. And which helps in lowering your blood pressure and is good for your overall cardiovascular health. It is also very high in fiber, which means that even after eating thoda sa bhi avocado, you feel full for quite a long time, and that is automatically good for your weight loss. So let's quickly get started, and I hope you like all the 4 ways of making the beautiful avocado toast. My personal favorite is, I'll tell you at the end, but usse pehle, let's enjoy the video.
We'll start by toasting the bread. I've taken sourdough bread with seeds, which is actually one of my favorites. Now drizzle some olive oil on top. You can also toast it with butter if you wish to. Sprinkle it with some salt and some garlic powder. And that's it. Now I'm toasting the bread in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and crisp. Avocado toast बनाने के लिए सबसे important है that the avocado is ripe and ready to eat. So choose an avocado that is a bit darker in color and also a bit soft, जो कि एकदम smoothly कट जाए. And when you open it, it looks something like this, nice, fresh and green. Now with the help of a spoon, scoop the avocado out in a bowl. Now start mashing it with a spoon or a fork. Make a creamy spread for the toast, like a quick guacamole. Now we'll season it with some salt, some black pepper, some oregano and थोड़ा सा lemon juice. Lemon डालने से avocado stays fresh and वो इतनी जल्दी brown नहीं होता. अब टोस्ट का बेस तो रेडी हो गया. Now let's move on to making our toppings. So first टोस्ट तो बहुत सिंपल है. इसको हम प्यार से Kylie Jenner टोस्ट भी बोलते हैं. So you just have to spread the avocado on the bread, drizzle it with some honey on top and season it with some sea salt. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top and your Kylie Jenner toast is ready. Sweet and salty at the same time and hits all the right flavor notes. हमारे second toast का नाम है crispy corn masala toast. For this, heat a pan, add some olive oil and some red chilies. Cook it for a minute and add in some boiled sweet corn. अब इसको एकदम crispy करने के लिए you can also use a grill pan, but if you don't have it, you can also cook it on a very high heat for that smoky barbecue taste. Now to make it chatpata, I'm adding some paprika powder, some salt and lots of chaat masala. And that's it. अब just like the last one, we'll spread the avocado on the toast and top it with the crispy corn masala, and there you go. एकदम चटपटा सा healthy सा toast ready. Now third toast is a spinach, mushroom and feta toast. इसके लिए I sliced up some mushrooms and also chopped some spinach leaves. And फिर एक पैन लिया, उसमें डाला थोड़ा सा ऑयल and our sliced mushrooms. इसे अच्छे से हाई हीट पे मैंने 5 to 6 मिनट्स तक कुक किया, जिससे कि मशरूम्स एकदम क्रिस्पी हो गए. और फिर हमने डाली चॉप्ड पालक, उसे भी हमने 1-2 मिनट अच्छे से पकाया. सीजन इट विद सम सॉल्ट एंड क्यूमिन पाउडर. Spinach and mushrooms का combo always works guys, so do try this one out. Now again toast पे guacamole spread किया, और फिर डाला अपना मशरूम एंड स्पिनच मिक्सचर एंड ऑन टॉप we'll add some feta cheese. Feta cheese is really healthy and adds a nice tangy flavor to this toast. The last one is my favorite Italian bruschetta toast. इसके लिए you don't even need to mash up the avocados, just slice it up into big chunky pieces. Topping के लिए एक bowl में हमने डाले कुछ chopped tomatoes, chopped garlic, some fresh basil leaves and some mozzarella cheese pearls. का टेस्ट एनहांस करने के लिए we'll drizzle some olive oil and season it with some sea salt and black pepper. इसमें मैंने डाला थोड़ा सा विनेगर for that nice tangy flavor and इसको अच्छे से मिक्स किया. Now हम इसे minimum 10 to 15 minutes के लिए फ्रिज में रखेंगे and then we will use it on our toast. टोस्ट पे फ्रेश एवोकाडो पीसेस डालो, उस पे डालो अपना टोमेटो ब्रुशेटा मिक्सचर and your toast is ready. This toast is my personal favorite and also a great option for your parties. है ना एकदम interesting and unique से toasts?
So good.
I hope you like these ideas and comment down below which one of these was your favorite.
और मैं मिलूंगी आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बट रेसिपीज शुरू से